Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Gemini crypto. Is it a good investment? Well, that's a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm finally going to answer it for you in this video. Before I get into the main topic, I want to start by saying that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. If you're considering investing in Gemini crypto, I recommend that you do your own research and talk to a financial advisor. Now, let's get into the main topic. Is Gemini crypto a good investment? Well, the answer is, it depends. There are a lot of factors to consider before you make a decision. One of the first things you need to think about is your risk tolerance. Gemini crypto is a relatively new asset class, and it's still very volatile. This means that the value of your investment could go up or down significantly in a short period of time. If you're not comfortable with risk, then Gemini crypto may not be a good investment for you. Another thing to consider is your investment goals. Are you looking for long-term growth or short-term gains? If you're looking for long-term growth, then Gemini crypto could be a good investment. However, if you're looking for short-term gains, you may want to consider other investments. Finally, you need to think about your financial situation. Can you afford to lose your investment? If you can't afford to lose your investment, then you should not invest in Gemini crypto. Now that I've covered some of the basics, let's take a closer look at Gemini crypto. What is Gemini crypto? Gemini crypto is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2015 by the Winklevoss twins. Gemini is one of the largest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Gemini also offers a number of features that make it a popular choice for investors. These features include a secure and user-friendly platform, low fees, excellent customer support, a variety of investment options. How to invest in Gemini crypto? Investing in Gemini crypto is easy. All you need to do is create an account on the Gemini website. Once you have an account, you can deposit funds and start buying cryptocurrencies. Gemini also offers a number of other ways to invest in crypto. For example, you can use the Gemini Earn program to earn interest on your crypto holdings. You can also use the Gemini Active Trader platform to trade cryptocurrencies. Risks of investing in Gemini crypto. As I mentioned earlier, Gemini crypto is a relatively new asset class, and it's still very volatile. This means that the value of your investment could go up or down significantly in a short period of time. There are also a number of other risks associated with investing in crypto, such as security risks, regulatory risks, liquidity risks. Before you invest in Gemini crypto, it's important to understand the risks involved. So, is Gemini crypto a good investment? Well, the answer is, it depends. There are a lot of factors to consider before you make a decision. If you're comfortable with the risks and you have the financial resources to invest, then Gemini crypto could be a good investment for you. However, if you're not comfortable with the risks, then you should not invest in Gemini crypto. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.